Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about these bad boys and how to style bottoms with it. I did a whole unboxing and detailed view of them in another video on my channel. If you guys want to go check that out, I'll be leaving a link down below. Anyways, I'm going to be giving my opinion on what best suits these shoes, since I feel like you can make some cool fits with these. They have been a bit tricky to style in general though, and there are two reasons for that, and they both have to do with the bumper on the back. First is the color, the orange or fiery mango as they call it, and the second is going to be the bumper. So with that being said, the two concepts to keep in mind to best style the shoe are going to be the color and the fit. For the color of the bottoms, you can pretty much wear whatever bottoms you want as long as they match the orange and the color of the canvas. I have the black and white version, so it's not really an issue for these, but if you have the navy or olive shoes, then you would just match both the colors. The orange on the shoe is super weird. It's like a low intensity orange, and out of all the orange in my closet, I couldn't perfectly match it to anything. So playing off the orange is a little bit tricky since you won't be able to completely perfectly match the orange, but it is doable. Anyways, for the color of the bottoms that I really like, they pretty much include any shade of blue, black, shades of gray, olive green or dark green, and lastly a light brownish color also look nice. For the fit, in my opinion, the best for these shoes, since they are a bit chunky, especially with that back bumper, is a looser fit. A slimmer or tighter fitting trouser can also work, but in my opinion, the looser fit looks best. For the length, I really like the cropped pants or tapered pants to show off the whole shoe. Since I don't have any cropped pants, I usually just cuff them, but you can put them down. I have a sister who says they look like regular Converse when you put them down, but I really like the cuffed look. Like I said, it shows off the whole shoe and it fits really well with the proportions of the shoe. You can do this with just about any type of bottoms like jeans, khakis, chinos, and cargos. I especially like how they look with the loose cargos. They give that relaxed fit that really help with the proportions of the shoe. I also have these dark green nylon pants that I really like with these shoes. They have a techie style that really go well with the shoes. If you do decide to cuff them, you can also try different colored socks and patterns if you want to add to the fit. Well, that's going to be it for me, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about it. At the end of the day, they are your shoes and you can dress them however you want. Like I said, these are just how I like to wear them and how I think they look best. Might do more of these videos. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Anyways, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I have more shoe videos coming your way, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.